Because of Clemson Extension, my farm is able to take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves, make sure that we have the best interests of the land and consumers in mind, and at the end of the day, provide for my family.
Immediately from retiring from Duke Energy and deciding to get into the cattle business, literally the first people I called were the people at Clemson Extension Service. Many Clemson people are very knowledgeable in some specific areas which I could never take the time to study and learn that much. But if they understand my operation, they can help me apply the bottom line technology to what I'm doing to make me more effective and more profitable. We've been able to carry our operation from roughly 140 females to almost, well, probably 200 females. That's a lot of money for the same land.
Clemson University's regulatory program has a lot on their table. With honeybees in particular, a lot of beekeepers are moving into our state to overwinter. We need to make sure those beekeepers coming into the state don't affect the other farmers that are here, and that starts with inspecting the honeybee.
Clemson Diagnostic Lab, Livestock and Poultry Health have been a critical component of our success in South Carolina. We test every flock of turkeys that we grow to make sure that we monitor the health status of our flocks. Because of the support that we've got from the Clemson Diagnostic Lab and their staff, that we've been able to constantly monitor the status of our flocks and have a plan to react very quickly with our sows as well, to make sure that in the event that anything ever happens, that we're already well prepared for the consequences of that before it occurs. It is critically important in the state of South Carolina that we're competitive with those other states that have similar industries, and the Clemson Diagnostic Lab is one of the things that keeps us competitive.
It would be very helpful for Clemson and Clemson Extension and the researchers to help us understand more about our water use and water availability. We make a lot of decisions here that are 5 and 10 years down the road, and if we can understand more about something as critical as water, it would really help us a lot with those decisions.
For the Garrison Arena, by adding the conference center and also the other outdoor ring, it gives you the advantage to take bigger horse shows, bigger equine events, and you know, every horse that comes to a show is accompanied by 2.5 people. And they're not only paying for their horse, they've got to stay in a hotel room, and they're not bringing their kitchen, so they're going to eat in our restaurants. Everybody benefits when the Garrison Arena is busy.
The research and education centers exist to work on solutions for the problems of the citizens of South Carolina. In that, we need all the hands we can have, and all the minds that can come together. When we don't have the ability to house students at the recs, that limits the ability to involve more students and better students in our projects. And having the ability to host either groups from other universities, people from other states, visiting scientists from other countries even, will completely open our laboratories and open our recs to many more collaborations, many more possibilities.